Did you know that CALI offers color-coordinated stair treads for every flooring style? Here are the top 5 reasons why it is such a win to pair your stairway with your new floor. Seamless style. Color-coordinated stair treads create a unified, polished look that ties your whole space together for a smooth, consistent visual. Boosted home value. Professionally finished stairs with coordinating materials look custom and high-end, which can enhance your home's appeal and resale value. Easier maintenance. Using the same durable, easy-to-clean surface on your stairs means less hassle when it comes to everyday messes because you just treat them the same as your floors. No design guesswork. Using the same material for your stairs means you don't have to match stains or hunt for a product that just sorta matches. These treads are designed to blend right in with your new floor. Premium vinyl options. If you're installing luxury vinyl flooring, CALI offers matching stair treads with a side cap. This gives you a clean, customized look, particularly on an open-ended staircase. So plenty of great reasons. If you are planning a flooring upgrade in a home with a staircase, don't forget to include CALI's custom stair treads. CALI, simply authentic.